Today we're going to go over cutting your strips and blocks and squares extremely accurately with the guidelines mistake-proof and slip-proof units. In this packaging there are yellow guides. There are 2 yellow guides in the package. One yellow guide for your 24-inch ruler with a tensioning device built into the stretch strip for the 24-inch ruler. There is a second guide in there for your 12-inch ruler with the built-in stretch mechanism for your 12-inch ruler. The third item in there will be 6 grip strips on this packaged device, grip strips that will go on the underside of these 2 rulers for a total length of 36 inches. Let's go through this. On this Olfa ruler that I'm using, a 12-inch ruler, is our 12-inch guide with the stretch mechanism built in. You will take that stretch mechanism, and let's just choose a very popular strip of 2 1/2 inch. We hook the hook built into the yellow strip at 2 1/2 inch on one end and 2 1/2 inch on the other. We will then take this yellow strip and align it at the finished edge of our fabric. When it's in that position, either our fingers or our palm resting gently in the centermost of that ruler, that slight weight of hand in the center of this ruler pushes the energy to the outside lines of the ruler, where on the underside of the ruler we have installed the grip strips on the outside edges of this ruler. We'll take that 2 1/2 inch again and align it at the edge of our fabric. I'm going to just do it as a dry cut for you to simulate the cut. Hand or fingers in the center. The ruler will not move. It is locked into position. Make your first cut. Pick that ruler up. You've got your accurate strip. As fast as I may align that yellow strip again to the finished edge of that fabric is as fast as I'm going to cut accurate but consistently measured strips. We all know that unconsciously many times we cut on one side of the line and then on the other side of the line, and there we sacrifice our accuracy. Now let's do a 4 1/4 inch square or block. We'll set the guide at 4 1/4 on one end and 4 1/4 on the other. Again, all you do is align the yellow strip to the finished edge of the fabric. Fingers or palm, whichever is comfortable for you, with a slight weight in the center of that ruler, locks or binds that ruler up with that slight pressure. And again, we make our first cut. We pick our ruler up, rotate it to the finished edge of that fabric on the second cut, and voila, here we've got a 4 1/4 inch accurate, consistently measured block, which only took us about 5 seconds to cut out. I have found these at a website called Olfa Deals, www.olfa Deals, and if you need more information, you can go to that site and probably get more help there also on the mistake-proof, slip-proof guides for cutting your squares and blocks. Thank you.